It won't take no charge, man. It won't take no charge. It won't charge this, man.
You were just in here the other day. It was charging.
I didn't say it just stopped yesterday. When I came and bought this charge, I went back. I ain't need no charge. And as soon as I put that charge on it, man, and it ain't charged up, man. It wasn't like 10% and it dropped back down. So it's mechanical.
As you can see from the first clip, customer's a little agitated, came in saying that his phone does not charge. So I take it behind the counter, plug it up to a meter that shows it was charging. The phone showed it was charging. So I asked for his plug. I take his plug and also verified that it was also charging with his plug. So I instruct him to just try charging it again, going home, trying a different outlet. And he didn't want to hear that. So I had him plug it up into an outlet near the seating area and had him charge his phone there. And it also charged there. But as you can see in the coming clips that there's nothing I could do to say to him to convince him that the phone actually does take a charge.
It's charging.
No, it ain't charging. It ain't
Charging.
It ain't charging, man. It gave me that same thing. You plug it up. Plug it up.
I did.
It ain't charging.
It showed charging.
Man, I didn't fuck this phone charging. Man, I know this phone ain't charging. All right.
What's up?
$17. Give me $2
Look at it. Now you say it's charging.
This is your Metro.
I know.
So how did I give you gigabytes before?
You always gave it to me.
I don't understand how.
$20 last time when I was here.
How? But you have Metro.
I know, but you gave me gigabytes. You did it for me.
Not on this phone I did.
On that phone. That's the only phone I ever had.
No, not on this phone.
Yes, you did.
This is a Metro. There's no way.
Yes, you did. I'm telling you, when I had this, let me show you what the problem is. Right here. And you said gigabytes. You gave me some gigabytes on here. It keeps doing this. It did this before. And you did it for me for $20 when I came in here. 2 times you did it. And it kept doing. You did it?
I'm working on it.
Okay.
Is it charging?
It was doing that same thing yesterday. It went up to 10. As soon as I used it, it dropped down. It dropped down.
You know, keep it up on there until for a few hours.
I kept it up on there, man. I wasn't for 4 hours. This motherfucker went to 8 to 6. It ain't doing nothing. I had this motherfucker charge all last night. Woke up and it still had no charge. Did you do something where you just plugged it up?
Just plug it up.
Now it's charging.
I was doing that, but it don't go no far. No, it don't shoot.
From this point, it escalates. Customer did not want to hear that the phone would need to be plugged in for a few hours to fully charge, and did not want me to tell him that he shouldn't be on the phone while it's charging because it'll charge a lot slower while he's plugged in. And this is where it escalates.
I left that
Man, don't. I'm not talking over your voice.
Listen, man, I was telling me. I left this phone on charge all night.
It probably
It
didn't
didn't
charge.
charge. I thought it only charged. It been doing. When I started up before, it charged up.
You probably messed up last night.
I not messed up. I put the
Do it again.
Hey, I just did it all last night.
Do it again.
I can't keep fucking with this phone, man.
Well, buy a new one then.
Fucking with it, man.
Buy a new one then.
No, I ain't about to do, man. I'm not about to take no off on no $100 for no phone. Hey, last 6 months, man. I can't do that, man. I'm not gonna do it, man. I'm not gonna accept that, man. I'm not gonna show me a bomber phone. For one thing, this is a fucking bomber phone. This is a bomber phone. That's why I know that. Why it's fucking up, man. I can't just keep wasting money on this bullshit,
Right.
man. Well, I can't use like a gentleman, man. And bomb no phone, man.
Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling?
Because I'm angry, man. I need my phone.
Okay, why are you yelling though? I'm telling you what to do and you ain't listening.
Man, that shit ain't gonna work, man. I just did it all last night, man. I ain't keep coming up here about the same thing, man. This shit is fucked up, man. It's fucked up. The phone you sold me is fucked up, man.
It was fine for the 4 months.
Huh? Not 4 months. Hey, how the fuck? Ain't no scratch on it. Ain't no scratch on it. Ain't no scratch on it. Ain't no shit. Never dropped the phone. I never dropped the phone. So motherfucking shit fucked up. It ain't on me. It's on maintenance, man. That phone is on maintenance. I can see if I drop in some water. See, yeah, it's on me. But this phone fucked up on itself because it's on maintenance, man. You only can't see what the battery fucked up or nothing. You only can't see that, man.
I don't need to.
I mean, I'm not. I'm fucking fucked up for you, man.
It's charging.
It ain't charging, man. How the fuck is charging? It's on 8. This motherfucking charged up on 8. What's the 8?
When you sat there using the phone while it's charging.
No, I wasn't using the motherfucker. I was looking at the goddamn thing. I was looking at this thing. And this motherfucker's not charging, man. It's not giving my charge. Look at it. It's on dead already. It's on dead already. Now how the fuck is it gonna go on dead and this phone ain't been used? It's hard to work the shit. This shit here been doing. I said, fuck that shit, but this shit be doing it all the time. Come on, man, this shit fucked up, man. The phone fucked up, man. It's fucked up, man. I got numbers on that phone, man. People call, man. I can't, man. I pay you $100-something, man. For this phone, man. This phone can't last 6 months. They last 6 months before it started fucking up. And this phone's fucking up. It's fucked up, man. It won't charge. It won't take my charge, man.
Either you deal with it or you buy a new one.
Man, how the fuck I'm gonna deal with it? I just paid $100 for that phone, man. I paid $100 for that phone. You don't just say, fuck. You do $100, go get another $100, and this motherfucker fucked up on. And this one fucked up on. I can't do that, man. I come to this junk ass shop, man. Buy this motherfucker, buy that ass phone, paid $100, and this motherfucker can't take no charge. It ain't been 6 months, man. It ain't been 6 fucking months.
Alright, man, you ain't gonna listen to me, you have to leave.
Hey, man, I tell you what, I bet you. I'm cracking you motherfucking good.
And I'm cracking your fucking skull, motherfucker. Go ahead. I know where you stay at. I know where you stay at.
I don't give a fuck where you know I stay at.
Go ahead.
I keep a pipe.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep a pipe. I'll shove that pipe up your fucking ass, motherfucker.
When you come tomorrow, you put it in my fucking store again, you be saying it. You need it. When you come tomorrow, you put it in my store.
Go ahead.